Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Puan Alia Azarin.
My name is Zalsabila Naura.
We are from SMA Negeri 1 Palembang.
Today we will present our research
About the impact of using social media Instagram on youth self-esteem.
In this era, social media is growing so rapidly. Instagram is the fastest growing, currently reaching 1 billion active users. The use of social media has become popular among teenagers, especially Instagram social media. Among social media applications, highly visual social media platforms such as Instagram and Snapchat have gradually surpassed Facebook's popularity among teenagers. Social media Instagram is an application that people use to share their moments in the form of photos or videos. Instagram has allowed users to take photos, apply filters, and share photos with followers who can like and comment on them. Teens can spend hours accessing social media on Instagram. Young people spend 54% of their time online using social media. They can see photos and videos of their friends, family, artists, actors, singers, Instagram influencers, even other important and famous people. Users are free to share any photos and videos, such as daily activities, holidays, fashion, lifestyle, food and drinks, their achievements, and others. Everything that is shared on Instagram looks perfect so that it makes someone think other people's lives are more perfect and compare their lives. The more time people spend on social media, the more likely they will believe that other people have better, happier, and more successful life, reducing their self-esteem. Self-esteem is a positive or negative self-evaluation of a person, or the extent to which he believes himself to be valuable. When teens see other people's lives which are better on Instagram social media than their own lives, this will affect their self-esteem. When people perceive their social media friends to have better lives, they report lower levels of self-esteem. When someone considers the characteristic attached to him to be less important in getting social recognition, self-esteem will decrease.
Self-esteem is a person's self-confidence and self-worth in their life, usually valued on their achievements, good relationships, and satisfaction. Self-esteem is the overall way we evaluate ourselves. Self-esteem, which is characterized as one overall feeling of self-worth, is related to positive psychological outcomes that include pro-social conduct, positive emotion, and psychological adjustment, and negative contracts, including depression and anxiety. Researchers assume that people with low self-esteem will have more prejudice than others against no cohorts, and studies in which people only rate other groups seems to confirm that people with self-esteem are less likely to lower self-esteem reveal more negative attitudes towards them than do people with higher self-esteem. Adolescence is an important period of a lifespan, a transitional period, a period of change, a period of problematic age, a period where individuals are looking for self-identity, dreaded age, a period of unrealism, and the threshold for maturity. Herlock divides the pace of adolescence into early adolescence with an age between 13 until 17 years and late adolescence between 17 until 18 years. Instagram is a free photo and video sharing app available on iOS, Apple, Android, and Windows Phone. Instagram is the most dangerous among existing social media platforms in the terms of its consequences for the well-being of youth. The research steps are as follows. First, determining the sample using simple random sampling. Second, choosing a valid research scale for each variable. Third, collecting the data from the samples. Fourth, processing of the data has been collected using SPSS. Fifth, analysis the data using existing theory. Sixth, proving the hypothesis. Seventh, drawing a conclusion. Next, The data collected will be displayed in the board. First, demographic table of a study samples. Second, table of result of the self-esteem scale.
From the data collected, we categorize the samples by age. The majority of the samples were 16 years old, with a total of 66 samples or 44%. And the age minority of the samples is 13 years, with a total of 1 sample or 0.6%. From the data collected, we categorize the samples by gender. The majority of the gender of the sample were women, amounting to 106 samples or 70.6%. And the male gender minority of the sample amounted to 44 samples or 29.3%. From the data collected, we categorize the samples based on the social media use, where all samples use the Instagram application 100%. There are 147 WhatsApp users, or 98%. LINE users were 143 samples, or 95.3%. YouTube users are as many as 140 samples, or 93.3%. From the data collected, the sample's average length of time to use social media was 5.14 hours per day, as well as the length of time to use the Instagram application, which is 3.89 hours per day. Teens can spend hours accessing social media on Instagram. Young people spend 54% of their time online using social media.
The minority of the sample has followers in range more than 2,500, amounting to 2 samples or 1.3%. A greater number of followers can be perceived as a positive social reinforcement, thus activating the reward system in the adolescents.
From the data collected, the category of image or photos used by the majority of the sample is personal blog, which is as many as 104 samples or 69.3%.
From the data collected, the majority of the gender followed by the sample were women and men, as many as 104 samples. From the data collected, we categorize the sample based on the type of account followed. The majority of the sample followed the account with the personal blog category, as many as 104 samples or 69.3%. From the data collected, we categorize the sample based on the types of posts they like. The type of posts that the sample likes is music, as many as 110 samples or 73.3%. From the data we collected, the majority of the samples had a high level of self-esteem, as many as 87 samples or 58%. The high self-esteem in the sample can be influenced by the number of followers. A greater number of followers can be perceived as a positive social reinforcement, thus activating the reward system in the adolescent.
Based on the normality test on the sample data, it is known that the significance value is 0.000 for both variables, so that the data can be said to be not normally distributed. Hypothesis testing will be carried out using the non-parametric Spearman rank test.
To test the correlation between self-esteem and Instagram using the Spearman rank test, a significance level of 0.047 was obtained, which means that there is a significant correlation between the two variables. The correlation coefficient between two variables is 0.162, which means that there is a relationship between two variables, even though it is quite weak. The correlation coefficient is positive, which means that the relationship between the two variables is directly proportional. The longer of the use social media Instagram, the higher one's level of self-esteem.
Based on the results of the data that has been collected, we conclude that the majority of Instagram social media users are women, with the majority being 16 years old. where the majority of the samples use Instagram social media 3 until 4 hours per day. The majority of the sample shares photos and videos under the personal blog category.
The majority of the sample did not look at gender when following their people on Instagram. They follow both boys and girls. The majority of sample follows account under the entertainment and personal blogs category. The majority of the sample in the post are in the music and entertainment category. After we analyzed, many samples had a high level of self-esteem. After we examined that there was a weak relationship between the use of social media Instagram on adolescent self-esteem by doing the Spearman rank relationship test, and the result obtained a correlation coefficient of 0.162. The two variables have a positive relationship, which means that the longer use of social media Instagram, the longer higher one's self-esteem. So, thank you.
Thank you for your time, and
If you're using Instagram, we recommend you to manage the Instagram time usage and
the content that you will follow.
wassalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.